Looking for a smartwatch that makes fitness tracking easy and affordable? In this video, we review the best value smartwatch for beginners. It monitors heart rate, steps, calories, and sleep while staying stylish and simple to use. Perfect for anyone starting their fitness journey, this watch combines essential health features with long battery life and seamless smartphone compatibility. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. GEJIAN 2025 Smartwatch. The GEJIAN 2025 smartwatch is the ultimate fitness companion for beginners who want advanced features at an affordable price. It combines style, technology, and performance to keep users connected and motivated throughout their fitness journey. This smartwatch supports over 100 professional sports modes, including a special golf course mode, ensuring accurate activity tracking through its built-in GPS motion trajectory system. It's also IP68 waterproof, making it reliable for workouts, swimming, or outdoor adventures. Powered by a 300 mAh battery, it offers up to 14 days of battery life with wireless fast charging, perfect for users who hate constant recharging. The 1.52-inch AMOLED display delivers crystal-clear visuals, while Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, AI voice control, and smart reminders make daily life easier. With real-time heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen, and sleep monitoring, the GEJIAN 2025 smartwatch offers unbeatable value for fitness tracking and health management. Number 4. GUHUAVMI QX12 Smartwatch. The GUHUAVMI QX12 smartwatch brings military-grade durability and modern fitness tracking together in one sleek design. It's built tough to withstand extreme conditions while delivering smart features for everyday users. With a 1.96-inch AMOLED sapphire crystal display, visuals are bright, clear, and scratch-resistant, perfect for both work and workouts. Its 5 ATM waterproof rating ensures worry-free performance during swimming or outdoor sports. The watch supports 100+ sports modes, giving accurate tracking for every activity. For beginners, its easy-to-use GloryFit app provides detailed insights on steps, calories, and heart rate. The smartwatch doesn't just track, it assists. With AI voice control, Bluetooth 5.3 calling, and smart notifications, staying connected is effortless. Health enthusiasts will love its oxygen, blood pressure, temperature, and sleep monitoring. The 420 mAh battery offers up to 10 days of life, reliable, powerful, and perfect for fitness-focused beginners. Number 3. Zeblaze Stratos 4 Smartwatch. The Zeblaze Stratos 4 is an ideal smartwatch for beginners who want reliable fitness tracking at a great value. It features a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with 466 by 466 resolution, delivering bright and clear visuals for easy readability. This smartwatch comes with GPS, a compass, and a barometric altimeter, perfect for outdoor workouts and adventures. It also tracks heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, and stress levels, helping users monitor their health effectively. With a built-in voice assistant and Bluetooth 5.3, users can answer calls, check notifications, and control their smartwatch effortlessly. The 50-meter waterproof rating ensures safety during swimming and daily activities. Powered by a 450 mAh battery, it provides up to 10 days of usage without frequent charging. Combining durable materials, multiple fitness modes, and smart features, the Zeblaze Stratos 4 is a safe, practical, and beginner-friendly smartwatch. Number 2. GEJIAN AI Smart Diagnosis Smartwatch. The GEJIAN 2025 AI Smart Diagnosis Smartwatch is designed for users who prioritize health and convenience. It features a 1.73-inch AMOLED full-touch display with 360 by 360 resolution, offering sharp visuals and intuitive navigation. This smartwatch provides comprehensive health monitoring, including heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, body temperature, respiratory rate, and women's health metrics. Its AI intelligence diagnosis delivers accurate insights, and real-time data can be shared with family or doctors for added care. Fitness enthusiasts will enjoy step tracking, calorie counting, and multiple exercise modes. GPS via smartphone ensures precise activity tracking, while Bluetooth 5.3 and a voice assistant allow easy calls and notifications. With a 500 milliamp high-density battery, it supports 10 to 15 days of usage and up to 40 days standby. IP68 waterproofing and wireless magnetic charging make it both practical and durable, combining long battery life with advanced health features.
Number 1. Valdus PGD Android Smartwatch. The Valdus PGD Android Smartwatch is designed for men who want style and functionality in one device. It features a 2.03-inch TFT touchscreen with 320 by 386 resolution, offering sharp and vibrant visuals. This smartwatch supports 4G and 2G SIM cards, Wi-Fi, and fast internet access. Users can make calls, receive messages, and use the built-in voice assistant. Dual cameras and 16/64 GB storage enhance multimedia use and app management. Fitness tracking is simple and effective. The watch monitors heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and sleep. It also tracks steps, distance, calories, and overall activity, making it ideal for beginners. With an alloy case, silica gel strap, and life waterproofing, it is durable for daily use. Android OS compatibility, multiple dials, and interactive functions add convenience. Stylish, reliable, and packed with features, it offers great value for fitness enthusiasts.